Now we arrive at one of the most important parts of this session: how to actually write a manuscript. Before you even begin writing, the big question is, what should you publish? The answer is simple. Publish original research that is meaningful, ethical, and well-designed. Your study must have clear objectives, solid methodology, and results that add value to the scientific community. Once you have your study ready, the next step is organizing your manuscript. Most journals use a universal writing format called IMRAD: Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussion. Let's break it down. 1. Introduction. This sets the stage. You explain why the study was done, the existing knowledge gap, and your specific objectives. A strong introduction answers 3 questions: what is known, what is unknown, and what does your study aim to solve? 2. Methods. This is where you describe how the study was done. Your methods must be detailed enough for someone else to reproduce your work. Include study design, population or sample, laboratory procedures, statistical analysis, and ethical approvals. Remember, unclear methods lead to rejection more than any other section. 3. Results. Here, you present your findings clearly, objectively, without interpretation. Use tables and figures thoughtfully. Avoid repeating the same information twice. Present the data so that the reader understands your story at a glance. 4. Discussion. This is where you interpret your results, compare them with other studies, and explain what they mean. A good discussion answers: why do your findings matter? How do they compare with existing literature? What are the implications and limitations? End with a strong conclusion: short, precise, and impactful. Follow journal guidelines. Every journal has specific requirements for formatting, word count, referencing style, and section structure. Always follow the instructions for authors. Failure to do so is one of the most common reasons manuscripts are rejected before peer review. Let's do a quick reflective exercise. Think of a research project you've done. Which section of IMRAD would be easiest for you to write, and which would be hardest? Why? Many researchers struggle with the discussion, and that's normal. It takes practice to interpret results without overstating them. Now that we have the structure of the manuscript, the next big step is ensuring your references are organized correctly, something that can save you countless hours. Let's explore referencing methods. One of the easiest ways to spot a beginner manuscript is by looking at the references. Incorrect citations, inconsistent styles, missing DOIs, or manually typed references often lead to unnecessary delays or outright rejection. That's why referencing tools are not just convenient, they are essential. On this slide, you see 3 of the most widely used tools: Mendeley, Zotero, and EndNote. Each of them helps you collect, organize, and automatically format your references in the journal's preferred style. Let me briefly highlight each one. Number 1, Mendeley. A favorite among students and early career researchers. It's free, easy to use, and integrates well with Microsoft Word. You can save papers directly from your browser, annotate PDFs, and generate citations with one click. Number 2, Zotero. This is excellent for people who want a simple open-source tool with strong browser integration. Zotero is particularly good for managing large libraries and syncing across devices. And number 3, EndNote. EndNote is powerful and highly customizable, especially for senior researchers handling many manuscripts at once. It's not free, but it offers advanced features, perfect for heavy academic writing. So, why use referencing software? 1. Consistency ensures your reference style matches the journal perfectly. 2. Time saving
No need to manually format each citation. 3. Error reduction. Avoids missing references or mismatched citations. And number 4, collaboration. Multiple authors can work on the same library or shared folder. All three tools ensure consistent referencing, automatic formatting, and easy collaboration, exactly what journals expect from a professional manuscript. Let me ask you, which referencing tool do you currently use? Mendeley, Zotero, EndNote, or none? For those who are not using any tool yet, I strongly recommend you pick one today. Even one well-formatted manuscript can convince you of the power of these tools. Now that your manuscript is written and your references are in order, the next big step is submitting it to a journal. Let's talk about how to upload your manuscript to the publisher.